Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will build a portfolio website with the help of AI. There is a new AI in a town called Yourware.so, which is amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay. I have just signed up for a pro plan. I will show you step by step how can you use this to build a website which you can later on upload to your server. Okay. So I will show you everything step by step because I have no pro plan. So let's get started. So what we're going to do, we will come to the home page and we will click on create and then we will type. So let's see what happens. Okay, the website is done. So let's see what we have. Um, Not bad. Let me see about page. Yeah, it works fine. Services page. Yeah, services page looks amazing. It's very nice. And let me see if I make this full. Okay, you can see this area is not quite good, and contact page, yes, it's quite basic and many things are not working. Look at the WhatsApp is not on the spot. So how can we fix this? Okay, so I will mention that because I think I have just of course I just give a prompt like it has to be only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So that might be that's the reason it didn't come out very very well. Okay, so what I can do, let's see if we can improve this. Okay, all right, so we have our website done, but I'm not really happy and impressed about it. So it's okay, we can actually make it better, and let's see how we can improve that. So I will go to about page, and I think it did a very good job, but the only problem is the pictures is not really linking properly. As you can see, this is amazing. Experience and education, that's very good. Okay, and also this section is amazing as well. Okay, that looks good. And services page, so this is the services page. Wow, that's unbelievable. That's very nice. I really like it. I mean, initially I thought like this is not a good design. Of course, there are issues like contrast issues, but let's say the contact page now. Yeah, that's good. Wow, is I really like it. It's very good and very nice. Okay, so what we can do, we can actually tell to Yourware that so that we have some issues with images. Okay, and let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay, guys, again, there is a problem. WhatsApp is, as you can see, the padding is not really good, and now it has actually improved the hero section, but still is a bit basic. Images are still not working, and the web design process, something messed up in that. And let me see about page. Okay, about page, it has changed. Okay, this is also nice. Is okay. Services page. And the services page is good. The design process is not working. These the pricing cards are great, and the contact page. All right, contact page is still the same, but is okay. That's great. But there's a problem with this. The hero section. Okay, I think hero section we can accept that. Not a big deal. But images are not working. So one more time, final time, we will mention to your where.so that there is some issue and a bit I mean it's okay. I mean it did a very good job. Okay, I can go and edit this project in Visual Studio Code and fix all these issues, so it's not a big of a deal. Okay, so what we can do, we will give one more prompt and see if it can really fix this issue. So I will say Let me go from the beginning. So I will say, all right. So we have done our final prompt for this project, and what I can do after this, I will actually create another project, but this time I will not give any specific prompt like use only HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. So what I'm gonna do, I will just say build a website, portfolio website. Okay, so regardless whatever technology or however. Okay, so let's see how big the difference will be. All right, our final prompt is done, and let's see the design. Oh, okay, thank God that image is working fine. That looks amazing. Again, the portfolio images are not working fine, but that's fine, not a big issue. Okay, load image, load image. It doesn't load, but that's fine. My services. I like the animation there. Oh, my design process is not working. Okay, and if I go to about page here, so this is the about page. And yeah, that looks okay. And this is again my design process is not working for some reason. And this is the contact page here. All right, so that looks amazing. WhatsApp, it did not fix the issue with WhatsApp. So what I can do right now, I can go back here. I am not going to publish this. I will go to the dashboard again, and this time I will not specify like use HTML or CSS. So I will paste the same prompt, but I will say like okay, I like to build a home page, about page. I also like to have a WhatsApp button. Okay, that's fine. Username and number. Okay, I like to use elegant hero section. Overall, the side must look Wikipedia style. I like to have a section below the hero section. Okay, and I like to have a services and okay. All right, I'm just looking for that section where it says, yeah, I don't want to use HTML, CSS, JavaScript in this prompt, and let's see what happens. Okay, so I have removed the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript part, and now I will give a go. And I'm really hoping this time it will not really rely on a specific technology, and it will produce a better result. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen. Yes, so I came up with a design. So let's see. Looks nice. About page. WhatsApp is working fine. This is the about me section. The portfolio section, which is amazing. Services looks brilliant. And a contact page. Yeah, contact page can be a bit more better, but it's fine. I'm in the contact section. And now if I go to about page and let's see about page. Okay, looks good. Yeah, quite basic, but is I like the services page. Wow, that looks very nice. Look at this. It's unbelievable section for pricing. Yeah, looks amazing. And the contact page. Wow, looks nice. I really like it. WhatsApp is there, email is there. So overall is a very nice design. I am really happy. As you can see that previously when I actually specify the technologies, um, and then it didn't come out with a very good result, but still it did a very good job. And now as you can see the result here without actually specifying any technology whatsoever, it came up with a very good design. Okay, so I really like it. Now what I can do, I will publish this, and it's been published, so I will click on the link, and let's see the responsiveness. So if I can if I can do the responsiveness here, so If I go down, yeah, it works fine, but this one should be here. Anyway, it's not a big issue. That's fine. It works, so that's okay. All looks good. Yeah, that's okay, not bad. So if I go here, go to about section, very nice. Services and the contact page. All right. So yeah, looks okay. Very good. And if I want to, I can actually explain like I like this WhatsApp to be invisible or should be visible in the responsive menu, something like that, and it can change it. Okay. So I think this video is already quite long, but I hope you understand by now that how to use this tool. Okay. And now what I can do, because I already published that, I will go to my account. So now what I can do, I will go to this download button here by clicking on these three dots, download. Yeah, so now we have the source code folder. We can extract, okay, extract all of it. So everything is extracted. So we have the index file. So when we open that, it works out of the box. Okay, that's amazing. Now we can upload this to our server and then it should work fine. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I will be making more videos like this. I will be building more tools. I will be using Lovable as well. Okay, and then I will compare the two. But I think this tool is amazing. Straight away, I have tested it and I have upgraded straight away. Okay, so I will also upgrade to Lovable and see actually what it does. And if you want these tutorials, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.